Welcome to Nerd Evolution List. Today I'm going to share the list of all the Flash movies and TV series through the years. So without wasting much time, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and let's begin the video. First series is The Flash, which was released in 1990. Series has IMDb score of 7.1 out of 10 and it's 69% rotten. The Flash is science fiction series starring John Wesley Shipp, Amanda Pace and Alex Desert. Barry Allen, a forensic scientist, gains superpowers after an accident and uses them to fight the human villains of society. I recently watched this show because I am a big Flash fan. I have to say I really enjoyed it. On the Elseworlds CW crossover, it had John Wesley Shipp playing the classic Flash from Earth 90, which I thought was pretty cool. Next is Smallville, which was released in 2001. Series has IMDb score of 7.5 out of 10 and it's 78% rotten. Smallville is superhero series starring Tom Welling, Kristen Krog, Michael Rosenbaum and Eric Johnson. A young Clark Kent struggles to find his place in the world as he learns to harness his alien powers for good and deals with the typical troubles of teenage life in Smallville, Kansas. This show will always be one of my favorite shows and will always remain in my heart. Next is The Flash series, which was released in 2014. Series has IMDb score of 7.6 out of 10 and it's 89% rotten. The Flash is superhero series starring Grant Gustin, Candice Patton, Daniela Penbaker, Rick Cosnett, Carlos Valdez and Tom Cavanagh. Barry Allen, a forensic scientist with the Central City Police Force, is struck by lightning in a freak accident. When he wakes up after 9 months, he discovers that he can achieve great speed. It is the best TV show I ever seen. The CW has done great job by bringing the classic Flash TV series. Next is Batman vs Superman Dawn of Justice, which was released in 2016. Movie has IMDb score of 6.4 out of 10 and it's 29% rotten. Batman vs Superman Dawn of Justice is superhero movie starring Ben Affleck, Henry Cavill and Gal Gadot. Bruce Wayne, a billionaire, believes that Superman is a threat to humanity after his battle in Metropolis. Thus he decides to adopt his mantle of Batman and defeat him once and for all. This movie is nothing less than a masterpiece. It is highly underrated and it deserves a second chance. Next is Suicide Squad, which was released in 2016. Movie has IMDb score of 5.9 out of 10 and it's 26% rotten. Suicide Squad is superhero movie starring Will Smith, Jared Leto, Margot Robbie, Joel Kinnaman and Viola Davis. Amanda Waller assembles a team of imprisoned supervillains to execute dangerous Black Ops mission. When an ancient witch threatens to destroy mankind, the squad is sent to stop her. Suicide Squad is a slight step forward from Batman vs Superman, but there are still significant issues in terms of character development, editing and plot. Next is Justice League, which was released in 2017. Movie has IMDb score of 6.1 out of 10 and it's 39% rotten. Justice League is superhero movie starring Ben Affleck, Henry Cavill, Amy Adams, Gal Gadot, Ezra Miller and Jason Momoa. Stephen Wolf and his parademons returns after eons to capture Earth. However, Batman seeks the help of Wonder Woman to recruit and assemble Flash, Cyborg and Aquaman to fight the powerful new army. Within the first 2 minutes, it was already clear that this film was gonna suck. Next is Zack Snyder's Justice League, which was released in 2021. Movie has IMDb score of 8 out of 10 and it's 71% rotten. Zack Snyder's Justice League is superhero movie starring Ben Affleck, Henry Cavill, Amy Adams, Gal Gadot, Ray Fisher, Jason Momoa and Ezra Miller. Bruce Wayne and Diana Prince try to bring the metahumans of Earth together after the death of Clark Kent. Meanwhile, Darkseid sends Stephen Wolf to Earth with a vast army to subjugate humans. Zack Snyder's Justice League is an absolute masterpiece. This film is everything that a DC fan ever dreamed of, visually stunning and narratively satisfying from start to finish. It is not just best DCEU film of all time, but also one of the best superhero film of all time. Next is Peacemaker, which was released in 2022. Series has IMDb score of 8.3 out of 10 and it's 94% rotten. Peacemaker is superhero series starring John Cena, Daniela Brooks, Freddie Stroma, Chukwudi Iwuji, Jennifer Holland, Steve Agee, and Robert Patrick. Peacemaker is a man who fights for peace at any cost, no matter how many people he has to kill to get it. What a well-rounded show as far as balancing comedy with the story in the series. I never thought I would say John Cena is a decent actor, but this role he nails as if it was his own persona. Next is upcoming movie The Flash, which will be a superhero movie and directed by Andy Muschietti, starring Ezra Miller, Ron Livingston, Michael Keaton, Chris Clemons, Michael Shannon, Atreja Trow, Sasha Calle, and Ben Affleck. Barry Allen, The Flash, travels back in time to prevent his mother's murder, which brings unintended consequences to his timeline. The Flash will release on 16 June of 2023. And last one is the Boys series, which was released in 2019. Series has IMDb score of 8.3 out of 10 and it's 93% rotten. The Boys is superhero series starring Carl Urban, Jack Wood, Anthony Starr, Erin Moati, Dominic McElligott, and Jesse T. Usher. A group of vigilantes set out to take down corrupt superheroes who abuse their superpowers. The Boys is surprisingly an amazing show. It's fun, violent, deliciously filthy, black-humored superhero genre deconstruction. What makes The Boys so special and unique is its premise based on the comic book. It gives the unorthodox concept for superheroes. Thank you for watching. If you like my work, don't forget to hit the like button. We are aiming 1000 likes for this video. Which Flash movie or TV series you like most among all these? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for weekly content ahead.